This trip takes us to Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt by the Red Sea. Dive with me.
Hello friends, I'm at the Red Sea. Yes, just arrived yesterday and I'm gonna see what I'm gonna see. The usual thing, I'm gonna go diving and take you with me. Anyway, stay tuned.
The first aquatic life greeting me here at the Red Sea is this blue-spotted whale. This is the first time I'm diving in the Red Sea, and I see creatures I've never heard about. Here you see a yellow bar angelfish trying to have a snack. Here we have some beautiful Red Sea clownfish. They like to hide themselves and their offspring between anemones. A pair of Red Sea bannerfish. Blue triggerfish, also known as red-toothed triggerfish. I don't see any red teeth, but then again, I'm not a dentist. Do you see the stonefish? Blue-cheeked butterfly fish. A Arabian Picasso triggerfish. A zebra pipefish. A crown of thorns the size of my kitchen table. A manta ray floating far away in the distance. And here we have a black masked pufferfish. red-tailed butterfly fish. A big Napoleon wrasse. The next day we dive at a different spot.
Hello folks, it's my last diving day at least at the Red Sea, so hopefully I'm gonna see some fantastic stuff. If not, I'm just gonna enjoy my dive and concentrate on the small little beautiful things in life. That's always good advice. Anyway, see you later.
I love how the sun reflects in this beautiful cavern. A magnificent white-spotted pufferfish. A flock of sweet-lipped fish. A Red Sea clown tang. Red Sea sailfin tang and a Kunsinger's wrasse enjoying a snack in form of a jellyfish. This concludes our diving in the Red Sea. Join me in my next adventure.